Hey guys, welcome back to ASA Technical. In this video, I will show you a simple setting in Windows 10 and Windows 11 that you can turn off to speed up your PC in just a few clicks. If you are tired of your PC running slow and want to instantly boost performance or just want to optimize your Windows experience, then disabling these settings can be a great way to free up system resources and from faster startup times to smoother multitasking. This quick tweak will optimize your system and give you the performance boost you need. So let's take a look at how to do it properly. At first, let's open up Windows settings. You can do this by clicking on Start menu and selecting Settings, or by pressing Windows plus I on your keyboard. In the settings window, look for the gaming section. It's the section with the Xbox logo on it, and click on that. In the gaming section, you will see a few options. Let's start by going into Xbox Game Bar. Here you will see a toggle switch labeled Enabled Xbox Game Bar for things like recording game clips, chatting with friends, and receiving game invites. To disable the game bar, simply switch this toggle to the off position. This will turn off the game bar overlay, so it won't pop up during gameplay or respond when you press Windows plus G. While we are here, let's go one step further and disable background recording if you don't need it. This will prevent Windows from using resources to capture gameplay in the background. In the Captures tab, look for the options Record in the background while I am playing a game and turn this off as well. Lastly, you can also look into Game Mode, which optimizes Windows for gaming. If you are not gaming or you are looking to reduce additional system optimizations, you can turn this off as well. Now let's test to make sure it's off. Try pressing Windows plus G on your keyboard. If nothing happens, that means the game bar is fully disabled. If not working, then you can try this second method. First, open the Registry editor. To do this, press Windows plus R on your keyboard. Type regedit and hit enter. If you see a user account control prompt, click Yes to proceed. In the Registry editor, navigate to the following path. You can expand each folder on the left to reach this path, or copy and paste it into the address bar at the top of the Registry editor. First, expand HK local machine. Next, expand software. Next, Microsoft. Next, expand Windows runtime. Next, activatable class ID. Now expand Windows Gaming Game Bar Presence Server Internal Presence Writer. Once you are in the Presence Writer section, look for a registry value that controls the game bar. Now, different versions of Windows may have slightly different settings, but look for any value related to enabled or something similar. If you see a value that's set to 1, which typically means enabled, double-click it. In the value data field, change it from 1 to 0 and then click OK. This should effectively disable the game bar presence writer on your system. If you got interruption during disable the game bar's presence writer on your system, then right-click on Windows Gaming Game Bar Presence Server Internal Presence Writer and then click on Permission. Then click on Advanced and click on Change. Now type your user account name and click on Check Names. Then click OK. And click on Apply and then click OK to add your user in permission entries. Next, go to Security section and click on Add. Now type your user account name and click on Check Names. Then click OK to add your user under permission entries. Now check this full control box to allow full control. And click on Apply and then click OK. After making these changes, again in the value data field, change it from 1 to 0 and then click OK. Now this time it should effectively disable the game bar's presence writer on your system. After making this change, it's always a good idea to restart your computer. This ensures that the change takes effect across your system. After your computer reboots, you can test if the game bar has been disabled. Try pressing Windows plus G to open the game bar. If nothing happens, you have successfully disabled it. And that's it, you have successfully disabled the Windows game bar through the registry. If you found this tutorial helpful, then please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tech tutorials. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.